My first course is Whistling Straits, a phenomenal Pete Dye design. My second favorite public course in America that I've played. It's something that I can see myself playing year after year and is a truly memorable experience. And it's even better the second time around. For me, Whistling Straits, this is Pete Dye at his best. One of the best courses you can play. To me, it's the best golf course in Wisconsin. It's still epic to me. It's still a tough test. It's gotten even better with time and as I've matured as a golfer. It's something that you really want to make sure you have on your bucket list of golf courses. This course is a stunning link-style course with sprawling sand dunes, deep bunkers, undulating fairways, and even mimics the windswept terrain of a traditional link-style course that you may find in Scotland or Ireland. While playing this course, you have a few really good lakeside holes. And for me, Lake Michigan might as well be the ocean. You can hear the waves lapping against the beach, endless views wherever you look. It's really a great experience and one that can't be missed. It's something that should be on all golfers' bucket lists. This course was recently the host of the Ryder Cup, and it's great to relive some of those great shots. The caddies there are great, so if you take a caddy, they're going to tell you great stories about that week, other great championship weeks that this course has hosted, and it's something that's part of American golf history, let alone just a great overall experience for you to play as a golfer. Kohler Resort is a perfect resort for a golf trip. Several great courses. One of my favorites also being the Irish course that's also right next to the Whistling Straits course. I think some of their par 4s are actually better than the par 4s on the Straits course. They also have Black Wolf Run, which is a phenomenal Pete Dye design, as all the properties are there. I didn't get a chance to play their new short course, but that's always a reason to go back. This course is only about an hour from Milwaukee, so it's definitely easy to fly in and start your golf trip right away. This course came at a premium, a higher premium than 5 years ago considerably by a little over $100. They've increased the greens fees, but it's worth it. This is a true bucket list level course. It's an experience that you have to take in. I actually might slightly give it the nod over Pebble. Pebble has more kind of meaning to me, but I think overall a better course and experience might be at Whistling Straits. It's something really special that they have there. So if you're looking for a great course, especially if you're in the Midwest, Whistling Straits is the course you need to have on your list.